Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 up against the Apple Watch SE. Both of them are available at around the same price tag of $300. So I'm going to compare the hardware, features, price, and in the end I will give my personal opinion. So let's get started. First of all, starting off with the boot up speed test. So 3, 2, 1, go. I know we don't restart our smartwatches each day, but this will give us an idea about any slight performance difference. As we know that Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 this time has a new operating system from Google, which is Wear OS. Talking about the specifications, Apple Watch SE is running on Apple S5 processor, and it is a dual-core processor which was present inside Apple Watch Series 5 from 2019. While Galaxy Watch 4 is running on a dual-core Exynos W920 processor, Apple Watch SE has 32GB of storage, while Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has 16GB of storage. So we have a bit of extra space on the Apple Watch. And here Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has started up first, while Apple Watch is still booting up. But Apple Watch has booted up as well just after a few seconds. So not much of a difference, but still impressive for a 2019 Apple S5 processor. Anyways, before starting, I want to tell you guys that if you have an iPhone, just get the Apple Watch, and if you have an Android phone, then try out the Galaxy Watch 4. It's that simple. But if you are thinking to change ecosystem of phones, then this video will help you to make a better purchase decision. Starting off with the hardware and build quality. Both smartwatches are looking great. We have an aluminum frame on Apple Watch SE and Galaxy Watch 4. Galaxy Watch 4 is about 30 grams in weight for the 44mm model, while Apple Watch SE is 36 grams in weight. And once again, this is for the 44mm model. Both are available with rubber straps out of the box, but you can change them as well according to your desire. For Apple Watch, I would recommend trying out these bands from Ritche watch bands. They are made up of genuine leather and they fit perfectly fine on my Apple Watch SE. They have a lot of other bands as well that you can check out from the link in the description. Talking about the display, both have an amazing OLED display that is pretty bright out in the daylight. But Apple Watch SE is missing always on display feature that is present on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. But sharpness, quality and responsiveness is same on both displays. Plus we also have a rotating touch bezel on Galaxy Watch 4, while rotating crown is present on Apple Watch SE. So it's your personal preference that which watch do you really like. On the back we have glass for wireless charging and different sensors. Apple Watch SE has no fast charging as it is only limited to latest Watch Series 7. Galaxy Watch on the other hand also has true wireless charging that charges to 100% under 2 hours. For my personal testing, Apple Watch SE was barely able to give me a full day of usage, while Galaxy Watch 4 lives for about a day and a half if you're not using that always on display mode. Moving on to the features, Galaxy Watch 4 offers a lot of them like blood oxygen, ECG, blood pressure, body fat monitor and snow detection. While Apple Watch SE just offers heart rate monitor in this price tag. I think it's a bit less from Apple as many other competitors in this price tag are offering blood oxygen sensor, and that should have been also available for Apple Watch SE. Apart from that, we are having Siri on Apple Watch, while Google Assistant is finally available on Galaxy Watch 4. Before that, the only option was Bixby, but now we have a much better voice assistant on Galaxy Watch 4. That truly increases its worth as a smartwatch. Auto workout detection is available on both smartwatches, but I found the Galaxy Watch 4 auto workout detection feature to be a bit more reliable and responsive. Step counter is about the same on both smartwatches with a difference of just few steps. Both smartwatches are IP68 dust and water resistant at up to 50 meters of depth. Both have speakers and both can make and receive calls via Bluetooth or phone. Now talking about the price. As of now, Galaxy Watch 4 is available for just $229 while Apple Watch SE is available for $279. And this is the price tag for 44mm models. So Galaxy Watch 4 offers a bit fair price with a lot of features, and you can buy few accessories such as watch bands with those few extra dollars. In the last, giving my personal opinion, Galaxy Watch 4 offers the best value for money that you can get right now. But as you know, Galaxy Watch 4 is totally incompatible with an iPhone. So it's better to get an Apple Watch if you're in that ecosystem. But if you have an Android phone, then grab that Galaxy Watch 4 right now. Few features like ECG and blood pressure will not work on a non-Samsung phone, but still it's worth the price for an Android phone. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.